how to import HA file. You need, first of all, you need to first open your HA tunnel, then you go here, you tap on imported file, you go to these lines, tap on it, go to import or export, then go to import config, then you choose where the files are sent. Some of you files are sent via WhatsApp, but for me I will use Hatano Plus. Then you choose the file. I think you are seeing Happy Sunday, Lavix Take 256. Let me import this one. Yeah, I think you are seeing the file is imported. Then you tap on connect. Yeah, then it's connected. I think you are seeing. Yeah. In my next video, I will teach you how to create your own file if you have a host. Those who don't have a host, WhatsApp the number in the description box for more. Thanks for watching.